In this video, we're going to explore a tool in Google Classroom that allows teachers to assign projects and assignments to specific students. That gives us the ability to create small group projects and differentiate for specific students. So from the teacher side of things, we're going to go to our Google Classroom first, and anytime we're creating something new, we're going to begin at the Classwork tab. The best way to start organizing your Google Classroom is by creating topics. So if I click Create Topic, and I'm adding a topic called Small Group Projects. Students will only see the topics on their board once they've been assigned to them. And if nothing underneath the topic is ever assigned to them, they will never see that topic. It's just a great way to keep the teacher side of things organized. So the next thing I'm going to do is create my assignment. And this particular class has 4 students in it, but I'm going to create 2 different assignments for groups of 2 or partners. So in this particular project, the students are going to work together to complete a graphic organizer, and then they're going to use it to create their own document. So this project has part collaboration and part independent work. So now I'm going to add some attachments to this. First, I'm going to add a graphic organizer that I created for these students. And this, I want the students to be able to edit, and they're both going to be editing the same graphic organizer. When I click Students Can Edit File. And I'm also going to create a blank document and this document will be for each student. So we're going to select Make a Copy for each student, and that's where each student will work to write their own story. And now is where I can really make this custom for my students. So this is going to this class, but it's only going to go to 2 out of my 4 students. I can set a due date. I'm going to add this to the topic of small group projects, and this is going to be on a 100-point scale. When I'm ready, I can assign it now, or I can schedule it to be assigned at a later date. And now you can see, since I scheduled it, it's here and ready to go, and it will go live tomorrow at 8 a.m. Now I can do the same thing for my other group. This one might be slightly different because these students may have different needs. So for this group, they're going to complete the graphic organizer and write the story together. So now when I add in these 2 attachments, I will need to make sure that the graphic organizer I select for this group is different from the one I do from the other group, because I am allowing the students to edit the file. So I will need 2 different copies of a graphic organizer. And now I'm creating a document that the students also can edit together. So students can edit file, students can edit file. They are both students who are assigned this to will be able to edit the same files. They will not have their own. And then I'm also going to schedule this one to go live tomorrow. This is a great way for you to create independent work for your students. And it's important to know that any students who are not assigned a project will not be able to see it. So they'll only see the assignments or projects that are assigned directly to them.